What if I told you your biggest excuse for not starting YouTube? Editing is already dead. You record videos. They sit on your laptop. And every time you think about editing, your brain says, yeah, I'll do it later. I know because I was there. I'm a complete beginner. No editing skills, no fancy setup. And I tested an AI that claims it can edit YouTube videos automatically. If this actually works, manual editing might already be outdated. So I had to try it. The problem, let's be honest, editing is where most beginner YouTubers quit. It's complicated, time-consuming, and honestly, exhausting. You watch big creators and think, I could never edit like that. And that fear silently kills more channels than bad content ever could. So the real question is, can AI remove the hardest part of YouTube for beginners like us? What this AI promises? This AI promises a lot. It claims it can cut dead silence automatically, add jump cuts, add captions, zoom at the right moments, and handle pacing for YouTube retention. Basically, it claims to think like a YouTuber, which is crazy, because I barely think like one yet. The experiment. So here's what I did. I uploaded raw footage. No edits, no cuts, no timeline work. I clicked one button and then I waited. Minutes later, I had a fully edited video. Jump cuts were clean, captions were readable. The pacing actually felt natural. Was it perfect? No. But was it better than what most beginners upload? Absolutely. And that's when I realized something important. The real power of this AI isn't quality. It's speed. Instead of spending 6 hours editing, you spend 15 minutes reviewing. That changes everything. Because consistency, not talent, is what grows channels. Think about it. How many creators quit? Not because they're bad, but because they're tired. Exactly. But here's the part nobody tells you. AI won't fix boring ideas. It won't make your video interesting. And it won't replace storytelling. If your content is weak, AI will just edit it faster. You still need a clear idea, a strong hook, and a reason for people to care. But when those are in place, AI becomes a force multiplier, and this is why this matters so much. YouTube is changing. The winners in 2026 won't be the best editors, they'll be the fastest learners. The creators who use tools instead of fighting them. AI is lowering the barrier to entry, which means more competition, but also more opportunity than ever. If you're starting now, you're not late, you're early. If you adapt, so, does AI really edit YouTube videos automatically? Yes, especially for beginners. It won't replace creativity, but it removes excuses. And if editing has been the one thing holding you back, too, this might be the tool that finally gets you started. Honestly, if this existed earlier, I would have uploaded months ago. And video editing isn't the only place AI is quietly changing the game. Students are using AI tools right now to learn faster, work smarter, and honestly outsmart everyone else. So click the video on your screen right now. AI tools students are using to outsmart everyone in 2026. Trust me, you don't want to miss that one.